Hey everybody, Monkey Wrench Mike here. We're back with the W108, the 280 SE 500 Smackoleans. Yeah, that's what this car cost me. We are continuing to work on polishing the camshaft, but today I got a gas problem. Monkey Wrench Mike. Yay!
I'm in the car.
All right, you have to have fuel. So, one of my favorite features. Yeah, look, you even get a little bitty handle. Look how gross my hands are. Okay, but look at that. Yeah, isn't that neat? Look how cool that is. Okay, so we're gonna remove a couple of hoses right there. Not a big issue. We're gonna go under the car now and check out the bottom of the fuel tank and a couple of other hoses, and I know they're going to be bad. I just know. And don't worry, this is coming off and this is coming off because those are horrible and ugly and not even necessary. Okay, we're going to take those off too. But let's go under the car. Tripod. We're going off tripod. And I'm trying to give you guys a better view. Oh, uh-oh. Oh, no. No, look. Look. Oh, my goodness. I've had the car for probably a year. Yeah. And I have never looked under here. Look. Hello. Yep, look at that. Mm-hmm. We have a little issue. Holy smokers. Yep. What's the other side look like? What's the other side? Let's go over here. We're going over here. We're going over here. We're going over here. That's okay. A little bit of stuff I need to do right there, but this side, other than the soundproofing or whatever that is, yep, I gotta redo that. That's okay. We're going back on this side, driver's side. Why didn't I look under the car? Oh no, look at that. That's bad. That's really bad. See? Yep. Okay. Well, we have something to pay somebody to fix because Mike doesn't know how to weld. Yep. Look at that. You know what I think that is? Let's go back up on top. Okay, here we go. Ow. Ow, 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 ow. Mother son of a... Yeah, this thing will hit you on the head if you don't watch out. Holy shitskers. That really hurt. Okay. No blood, I don't think. So we're good. Okay. Well, water's getting in somewhere. And at first I thought it would be the antenna. But there's no antenna back here. Yeah. It's up front. It's just an old car. Somehow water is getting in and it's leaking on this side. So let's kind of take this out. Let's just kind of see what's happening. Okay. Oh, you can see the sunlight. Yeah, you can see sunlight right there. Yep. Some things never change, you know? How long has Mercedes been doing this? If this is the original jack, I don't know. Hello. Okay. Get ready for a big gasp. Oh my gosh. Well, howdy do. There is a kink in Janice's armor. Yep, we got a little bit of rust. I need some miracle paint, Kent Bergsma. I need a whole bunch of miracle paint. Look at that. Oh my gosh. So, how has it been getting? Oh. Okay, well, there's a big chunk. Oh my gosh. Apparently it's been getting in, maybe through the light and then kind of going here and then just like eating itself away. I don't know. I don't know how else water could be getting in. Yep. All right. Well, dag nabbit. Another opportunity to fix something. Yep, another opportunity to fix something. Son of a... How we doing, Lo? You okay? Okay, we're going underneath the car. because I want to look at, okay, this is, that's your drain. And on newer ones, there's a screen up above that, but I don't know. I think this is empty. I think. I'm sorry about the camera work, but I can't get it far enough back so you guys can see. Okay, there's the heart. What are we doing? Camera's going wonky. Camera's going wonky. All right, sorry about the camera work. We're now at the heart of the car. There's La fuel pump. And we have some really, ooh. Yeah, that's old. That's old. And it's like a little flexible right there, but it's gonna break in half. And that's hard as a rock, and that's hard as a rock. Okay, so we do have some hoses to replace. And we're gonna take off the fuel pump, and we're gonna focus on that. That is our next order of business. So let's see if we can go to the parts store and get some fuel hoses. Dag nabbit. And we're gonna drop the tank, which I think just involves some bolts. Yeah, there's two, one in the front and two in the back. All right. All right, here we go. We're dropping the tank. Well, we've run into a bit of an issue. Yep, let me slide under here. And I want to show you guys what we're dealing with. Okay, I'm laying on my back. I'm filming upside down. And I'm going to show you and hopefully describe the smell of this obviously not empty fuel tank. You want to see how bad it is? This is gross. Okay, here we go. And we're just going to let it kind of soak out for a while. Oh. Oh, you're kidding me. There was literally like 2 seconds of fuel and the smell was so bad I thought I'd run grab a little glass and show you what the fuel looks like. But that was it. Ha! Okay, well, I guess that's okay for me. We will continue on, but just look at how gross that is. Yeah, there's been fuel in there for several days, or weeks, or months, or years, because this is horrible. All right, we're back. I think I see some seepage. Let's see if I can do this. I know you guys love to see and smell old gasoline, so let's just kind of see what happens. Okay, we're going to focus right there, and we're going to see what happens. Can you see? Yeah. That's brown as brown can be. That's some varnish there, man. That is some varnish. See? There you go. Just a little bit of gas left. Just a little teeny tiny bit. And oh, does it smell delicious. Oh. Well, doggy. Look at that. Well, doggy. Yeah, okay. So we have the trunk out. Mike needs to do more research because I didn't know this was there. Okay, there's actually a plug on the top right there. Okay, where it plugs in. Can you see that right there? Yeah, you access it from the trunk. Mike didn't know. Fortunately, it just popped off, and I don't think it broke anything. But literally, 1, 2, 3 bolts in front, and then there's a little side clip on that side. And it's out. And we're going to turn this over and see if anything comes out. Okay, let's do that. Let's have some fun and see if we can get anything out of those two things right there. And then we'll look inside. All right, I don't know if you can hear me, but we're going to give it a shot and see what comes out. Okay, I got the glass. One of my finest. Lola, you got to move. Okay, we're making a video here. Okay. Let's just kind of see what's going to happen. Oh, isn't that lovely? Isn't that lovely? There's not a whole lot in there, but that's kind of what it looks like. Yum. Look at that. Isn't that delicious? Woo! And the smell. Oh my God. Let's open her up. Let's open her up and see what it looks like in here. Oh yeah, there is some in there. I can't really see much. There's a little more gas. Yeah, we're going to turn it over and just let it drain. We're going to let it drain, and we're going to get it cleaned out. All right, look how dirty. We are continuing with the Frankenstein project. I don't even want to call it Frankenstein anymore, but she does have some issues. Yeah, we got to fix that right there. I need some help with that because that's something I cannot do. But we're going to get the gas tank cleaned up. We're going to get the radiator cleaned up, and then we're going to see what we have, okay? Work continues on Janus, the 280 SE. Folks, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Don't forget your merchandise, teespring.com. All right, I'll try to put a link in the video here for you as well. All right, everybody, thank you for watching. Have a great day. Goodbye.